Welcome to another video of AC Cubing. Today I'm going to teach you beginner PLL. After you orient all the yellow stickers or pieces, you will get 1 out of 6 cases. Well, technically 7 cases if you count the solved case. But after you have finished OLL, you can get 6 different cases for beginner PLL. When you get to more advanced PLL, there are 21 different cases, and each one of them can be solved with one single algorithm. But in beginner PLL, that is not what we're going to do. So these are 2 of the cases. One is a case with headlights like this, where no other pieces have headlights, just one set of headlights, and one where there are no headlights at all. So let's start with this one. This has headlights, so the way to solve this case is to turn it so the yellow side faces you and the headlights are on your right, like this. Now you do R2, D2, R prime, U prime, R, D2, R prime, U, R prime. And now that case solves the case where you have headlights on one side, and now if you take a look at the cube, all of the corners are permuted correctly. Now, moving on to the case where you have no headlights around on the top layer, you do the algorithm I just showed you 2 times. So as you can see, there are no headlights. We move it so the yellow side faces us. Do this algorithm. And if you didn't catch any of the algorithms, they will be in the description below. So now we did that algorithm once. We take a look around the cube, and we see that there are headlights. Now we know what to do when we have headlights. We do the same algorithm. After doing that, you can get 4 cases. Well, technically 5 cases if you count the solved state, but that isn't important right now. So I will be going through these one by one and showing you the algorithms to solve them. These algorithms will also be in the description below. This case is where 3 edges are not in the correct spot, and one side is solved. And now if you look closely at where the pieces need to go, they go in this case they go in a clockwise way. So this piece needs to go here, this piece needs to go here, and this piece needs to go here. The algorithm for solving this case is M2, U prime, M, U2, M prime, U prime M2. That's how you solve that case. This case is the same, but instead of going in a clockwise direction, it goes in a counterclockwise direction. See? And now to solve this case, it's rather similar to the algorithm I just showed you, and it's this. M2, U, M prime, U2, M prime, U, M2. And that's how I solved that case. So these two cases, before the two cases I just showed you had one side finished, but these cases have no side finished except for the top and bottom side. So this case is these two, the edges need to swap with the edge opposite to them. So this edge needs to go here, and this edge needs to go here. This edge needs to go here, and this edge needs to go here. So the easy way to do this is M2, U prime, M2, U2, M2, U prime, M2. And that's how you solve that case. This one, it's also, but these two, in this case, these two corners swap like this, and the way you hold this is by holding one pair of swaps this way and the other pair of swaps that way. So you do it like this: M prime, U prime, M2, U prime, M2, U prime, M prime, U2, M2. And sometimes it will just leave you with an extra move, but that can easily be solved. And for this case, any case like this where it's a 3-corner swap, you hold this side on in the back, the finished side in the back, like so it looks like this, and then do the algorithm, and then it is finished. Thank you for watching and have a great day. And also please consider subscribing and leave a like.